Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads, which are being disapproved for misrepresentation. We have solved various cases, even for unwanted software, unreliable claims, circumventing system, compromised site, malware scanner. We as a Google Party company also helps clients with Google Ads being suspended, Google Merchant Center suspended, Facebook account suspended, Bing Ads suspended. We also help provide assistance in audit, setup and management, as well as SU services. So let's get started on the case study we have today. So let's get started on the questions I have, and then we can discuss it. So this was the query to us, and it was like. He created this website couple of days back and I started getting leads. However, impressions were less, but all of a sudden, all my ads disapproved due to stating misleading representation. I would request you to review the account first and let me know what changes do I need to make to sustain this account forever. And once issues get fixed, I would like to know how to get more impressions at less cost. There are many competitors using the same keyword. Okay, so another interesting thing over there was during our communication with the client, we observed few things. The first thing was that client was quite hesitant because his account can get further suspended. So they even tried to remove our access as well. First they granted, then they remove. We told them that you have to be patient. The patience is the most important thing while getting the account restored. And the second was like he thought that we can get his account suspended. The ads would be being disapproved, and he was worried that we could get the account suspended. Then we told them, explained them that we are a Google Party company and we will not do anything on your account. But rather, in case if you have to do anything, we will do on our test accounts so that your account does not get hurt with this thing. So we sorted out. We discussed all the scenarios. We discussed the possibilities, the solutions. We explained them. We have them in confidence that your account will not get suspended. We will do the changes. Though, so when we started looking on the case, the first thing is we do the audit of the website, the audit of the Google Ads account to see. He was more worried that his account should not get suspended. Then we thought that the account may be old, which is why is very concerned. But we figured out that the account is not old and has not much been done. So that was but that every client has a different aspects. So this was a kind of an account dashboard over here. So almost similar was then when he gave the contract to us, then we had few things. Let me show you those as well so you guys can have an idea. So you can see that the ads were disapproved, not eligible. They tried appealing themselves and they got a refusal, and that multiple refusals can lead to permanent account suspension, and the website being blacklisted was another thing, because whenever ads are being disapproved, if your account is not suspended, your website is being blacklisted, and that was another thing. So you can see misleading representation was the error over in the ads being disapproved. So when they were having misleading representation, they were very worried. So we started doing the audit. And what we do whenever we see a case like this, we open two parallel channels, because we have a Google Party company, have a dedicated manager. The first thing we do is start communication with Google on what happened. Second thing we do is start doing audits. Now we have a team. Again, it's a teamwork, so I like to give credit and appreciation to my team who worked it out and try to look around. So we done two audits of the website, and I'm going to show you as well. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger so you guys can read it as well. So when we thoroughly looked around the website, we figured out that the discount offer, customer testimonials has some lacking. The like customer testimonials were not over there, and when you are offering discount offer, then you actually have to give the discount as well. In case if the old price and the new price is the same, then again you can get a misleading. Then we also discussed about adding disclaimers on the website. We also looked for contact information, copyright date which was old, and then we suggested few things on the footer to be added, such as business hours, such as social media, international dialing code. Although the website did not have any malwares issue being found. But during our test, because we have a checklist of around 170 plus steps, which we use for Google Merchant Center account, Google Ad suspension, Google Ad disapproval, we figured out some malware issues. So we told them that before we get a malware error as well, we need to get them sorted as well. We also sorted some plagiarism issues as well, and then we discussed about some content rephrasing as well for plagiarism. Now after that, we also did another audit as well. Okay, and I'm going to show you the audit as well. We also look for broken links, social media links were still missing, business times were still missing, and we actually tried to call the number which was available on the website. Then we also suggested that the number or the header is also not available for the call. We suggested to add some pages as well. Again, it may vary from niche to niche, and what kind of a website it is. Then we added shipping policy pages, tracking pages, testimonial pages. We also suggested about Google Map listing, Google Shopping Center, and then we also discussed about some reviews which we were lacking on the website. And the favicon is suggested because it increases the authority and authenticity of the website. And when we tried the contact us page to manually verify, to submit the enter the form, we did not get a reply from them. So we suggested them that the contact page should be working and everyone should get a reply, because Google has a very advanced system to determine such things. So we look around for that as well. And then we also suggested social media icons on the contact us page as well. And that we also figured out some interlinking lacking, that also the about us page was visible on the main page, but it was not visible on the contact us page. So we thought that it should also be visible as well. Then for the email, we look for the email. We the plagiarism issues were over there, like even this 40% content was plagiarized. So we discussed about those. Then the next thing which we did was looking for the competitors, the competitor landing pages, the competitor websites, and the account reviews, because they were failed reviews for the ad, and we did not wanted to do the further ads reviews, because that can lead to manual suspension. So what we did was we got it restored manually through our Google manager. And that then we then submit them that your ads are showing eligible. Then even I can show you in the account as well, the ads are eligible for this website. Even if I refresh you again, so guys can see it as well, that if I refresh the page, you can see the ads are being approved and are being enabled. When we started the case, you can see back over here as well that the ads were having misleading representations, or ads were disapproved for misleading representation. You can see over here, and now the ads are being approved, currently receiving impressions. So the account has balance as well, have spending as well. Then in currently, we are even doing the audit for the account to see where further how we can optimize the campaigns, because I told you that we help clients with the optimization process as well, the auditing process as well. So the interesting thing over here which I like to share with you guys is that during our audit, because we have a 170 step detailed audit, we look around for each and every factor. We do not even ignore a small factor which could be the reason for the account being disapproved. So we have to do very in-depth audit of the account and the website plus the competitors. We analyze their pages to see how their ads are being running. When we discuss with the Google team, we also discuss the competitor ads as well, like they are approved, we are approved, we are in the same industry, they are in the same industry, they got these approvals, they got these authenticity letter, we got these. So that is how we make a connection, genuine connection. So that was very important. And the best, and the most important thing whenever we are working with the Google is that you need to understand that you need to have patience. If you go in quick, you may eventually end up suspending your account, or going even worse, you can have your website being permanently blacklisted, plus your ads being disapproved, plus your account getting permanently suspended. I know that every day counts, and every day you are losing money, but these things takes time. So I like to appreciate my client as well, who had confidence in us, who put the trust in us to get the account restored. We had to manually check, we had to discuss with the Google, and this was the whole case was got restored without even requesting the request review button, but rather manually through the Google support with the Google team. So I like to appreciate my team as well, who consistently worked hard to make sure that we are gonna win and have these ads being approved. So yeah, this is another case study. So if you are looking for a professional help in Google Ads being disapproved for misleading, misrepresentation, unwanted software, unreliable claim, circumventing system, compromised site, or any other issue, or even if your Google Ads account is being disapproved or suspended, or your Google Messaging Center account is suspended, or in case if you need help in Google Ads management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we'll help to make sure to provide you an amazing, awesome service for your Google Ads. So once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.